and car, yummy kale, spells with letter C. Say with me, C. C says cuck, 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 cuck. Cat and car start with C. Cake is yummy with C.
Hello kids, welcome to CountTen Learning World. Are you ready to learn a new letter today? Today's letter is C. Say with me, C, C, C. Very good. Look here. This is cat. Look here. This is a cat. C for cat. C for cat. Say with me, C for cat. Wow! What is this? This is a cat. C for car. Say with me, C for car. This is a cake. Yummy cake. This is a cake. C for cake. Say with me, C for cake. Great job, kids.
C says cuck, 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 cuck. Cat and car start with C. Cake is yummy with C.
She says, ka, 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 ka. She says, ka, 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 ka. Cat and car start with C. Cake is yummy with C. Cat and car start with C. Cake is yummy with C. Amazing singing. One day, a little cat saw a red car. The cat said, "Wow, nice car."
Wow, nice car.
Then the cat found a yummy cake.
Then the cat and car, yummy kale, spells with letter C. Say with me, C.
Cat, car, cake, all start with C. Say with me, C. Look kids, this is big C. Let's write big C together. Car around. This is big C. Say with me, big C. Now look here. This is small c. Let's write small c together. Small car around. This is small c. Say with me, small c. Repeat together. Repeat together. Big C, small c. Big C, small c. This is letter C. Let's repeat together. C for cat. C for car. C for cake. See you next time. Bye bye friends.